In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app and clicking on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Either way, when you find photos that you wish to delete, hold one of them and click on those dots at the top left corners to select multiple. To clip some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom or at the top of Collections. Then hit Got It and move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!